Hi, my name is Valeria Aguirre, and I will be presenting you my Tableau project right now. Okay, so on the left of the screen, you can find a graphic stating the total sales by quarter and year. You can see the difference in 3 different years: 2019, 2020, and 2021. And you can see, for example, that there has been an increase in every year. So that means that it is an upgrade trend. In 2019, for example, it goes from 5,811,976 to 6,637,873. It has it is almost very steady because it doesn't change that much. I mean, it goes up from 5 million to 6 million something, then a little bit more to 6 million and something, and then it goes a bit down to 6 million. So it's not that it doesn't change that much. Then in 2020, it is a little bit different because it goes from 7,881 down to 5,921,276. Then it goes up again to 9,142,297, and then it goes down one more time to 8,222,162. And then, for example, in 2021, something similar happens, only this time it goes up first, then down, and then back up. It goes from 9,152,998 to 11,380,172. Then it goes down to 9,967,512, and then it goes finally up again to 12,072,021. Even if it changes and, for example, it goes down and up or up and down, the ending period date ends up being higher than the first period date. Then on the graphic that we can find on the right, we compare the revenue by category. The biggest one is the higher one in sales, which is materials processing, with 47,533,853. Then, for example, the lower one, it's the one who has less sales, which is the medical one. Here you can see it. Then we go down and we compare the division. There's the division map, which show us the differences only by wait, I don't know how I can grow it. Okay, I think it's fine. It compares everything by country. So first we have Germany, which is the sales revenue for Germany. It's 44,489,004. The United States, with a little bit less, that is 36,185,438. And then there are countries which have less sales revenue. For example, the United Kingdom with 8 million and a bit more than a half. Then comes India with a little bit less, and the last one with the lowest one with the lowest amount of sales revenue, it's India. And that's it.